it's over to you. I'm done. I'm just done.
You are done talking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how much are we now looking at?
If peradventure, I need to add your prayer concerning that ankle fish to cancel it for your side first.
Okay.
That is important. Like, very important. So they will just complete it. Everything should just be round up 300. Then we'll do the prayer.
300 euros, sir.
Yes.
Okay. 300 euro. Yeah.
So we do the prayer and everything we need to do and start it now for you and your family and start up something immediately for your sister. I must connect you and your family.
600.
Because of what I'm seeing. Because of what I'm seeing. There's a covenant you enter. This covenant is that you must build. It's always in your heart that I must do something for God. If not say I build that for God, you have it in mind that as you are growing, that I must do something for God.
Yes.
Listen, no, I don't know you. I don't know you. But what I'm telling you today is that the kind of house you will build in your father's house, by this time next year will shock people.
Amen. Amen.
By the kind of house.
Sir, please, where is your church?
I'm that's what I'm gathering. You know, I'm looking for money to get. There's a land they show me. They say if I don't get it by next month, that they will sell it to another person. That's why I want to start my ministry. I've been working for people, helping people, but I want to start my own. So there's a place I saw. They say if I don't come and get it, they are giving it out, and that's a very nice place.
How much is you know what, sir? Your ministry, I want to know the name. Then I will try to see if I can also send money. How much is the land?
The land, they told us that we should bring 4.5 for one plot because at least the place is okay bits.
4.5 for one plot.
For one plot. So okay. I'm just gathering myself.
Okay, 4.5 million. Okay. For this you have done to me, I will see what I can do. First, I will start by saying that my sister's issue is what I'm really thinking of right now, and I would like to also know you more than the way it is right now, you know, so I can be able to, you know. The land is located in where, sir?
It's located in Agbara, Lagos. I'm in Lagos.
Oh, you live in Lagos. Oh, yeah. Okay. No problem. What is going to happen is that hello, my brother. Hello. My brother.
Yes, bro. Bro, I'm here.
Not be you. My brother, my other pastor.
Prophet Imam. I don't go back, please.
You hear everything where your pastor talk.
I live on a go back.
You not hear. You not hear. Everything where our pastor talks is you not hear.
I'm not there yet. I go back. Yeah, so be that.
Okay. Everything your pastor talk now just on nothing but the truth. As everything we talk now, you dey hear me? You dey hear me? As everything when he talk now, nothing but the truth. What do you say be your name again for TikTok? I said, what be your?
You know me well.
I don't know you. What be your name for TikTok?
You don't know me, Richard.
Which one be I know you, Richard? I don't know. What be your name for TikTok? You say I know you, Richard. What is your name on TikTok? Hello, my pastor. My the other pastor. Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
You see, in life, sometimes I always give a try to people to know if they are telling me the truth. You understand? But in this your very case, everything that you have said so far is zero. It's fake. It's zero. It's nothing compared to what is wrong with her. For your information, this girl in question is not even my blood-related sister. For your information.
I never told you it's your sister.
Will you keep quiet? You want me to?
You will not tell me keep quiet.
I said you shut up your mouth. Do you know you are talking to?
Shut up here.
I said shut up. Are you mad or something? Are you crazy? Is that how you go around scamming people, fake prophets? Turn a fire out. Make God punish you now.
Fake pastor, God go punish you.
Wait.
If I give us a picture, may we see most
Now go
punish her.
Now we snap a picture. No,
bring a picture, come and saga we go. I no fear.
Business pastor, idiot, fools. And the reason why I spend time with this pastor on the phone is to tell people now when they believe in pastor. Now when there is power in the tongue. You can pray to God, God will hear you. I believe for her, all those people that do juju, I believe they pass these useless and stupid pastors. Just imagine, say the prophet Imam on TikTok. We don't go there now. We don't go there talk nonsense. No go go. No never war. No, you see your life. Somebody will be the help now. Pastor study. You want because I don't hear say and they donate 1.3 500.
Pastor, they find money when want to buy land. Is you? Yahoo pastor.
No, but now
picture.
I beg. When the pastor say you picture, make
picture.
You never war.
Zaga.
Fake pastor. Fake
pastor. Fake pastor. Now one they say daddy, they worship daddy.
My wife doesn't. My wife don't leave me.
You say your wife
is gonna be a blood sister. No good boy. You never war.
You never war. Now I pay you. They follow the talk.
The place.
Fake pastor.
The pastor they must.
One by
one. And make full of you in the presence of people so that they will know that you not be any man of God. You look for want to buy land. Come on.
The 419.
Go there.
You want buy land?
This is the now move to them, my sister. Call. Where this guy, this psychiatrist is there. You don't see vision for her. Now when you go to say one less money for her, let's go see vision for her. Make her fire you. You the other one will say. A power that not live for Nigeria. Now go now kill you.
Pastor, when never fix up the problem, finish. They find like when you want to go, they find money want to buy land for Lagos.
You get like you say you never build your church. You get like you say you never build your church. Now what is save you this thing? Tomorrow morning, I get lawyer away from
Pastor Pierre Palo.
Pastor, why they find money want to go smoke more?
Police want to arrest you for Lagos for there. You get up to say they call you your ministry today. You go and go.
Make God. Now so they can tell people they go.
Make them fire you, useless pastor. Winnie, I better say appreciate fast. Who are Bell? You say not your thing.
Epa, are you surprised? Person call me. Is it make I add my baby?
What Bell?
Yahoo pastor.
Is it make I add my baby father? Is it make I add my baby father? Is it now Ogbanjiri do me? He gonna tell me I did dream. I say yes, I did dream now. I don't know who you go talk to. They ask me different questions.
So they come back again. Are you mad or something? You let Wait, mute. Are you mad? You are toiling with my feelings? Are you crazy, pastor? Tell me your name. If I don't feel, you they mad? Una too they mad. Una too they crazy. For una too to even they lie to me for the past 30 minutes. Una too they crazy. Una boy you joiner. Una too they mad. No worry. Come on TikTok again. I dey wait for you. Except that they not tell me your thing. Your career. Why not the cutter? Why they cutter no bell? Where they cutter? You know why they verse? One not verse for me, my people. I'm sorry that I'm overreacting. No, let go.
oh. Me no go chop my baby father money.
If your baby
Because they
father
won't call
send
my
that
baby
money,
father.
if your baby father send that money, he is a body. Yeah, you're a bad boy. We're not
Why you
getting.
go send money give your baby father before? Now this one that they talk.
No, they don't go chop my baby father money.
Now that they send money they give. No be every pastor.
Why you
No
dey call me?
come
Why
for
you dey call
again
me?
for you to give pastor money, my sister.
Why did they make you dey call me?
Use that
Why
go
you-
see doctor, go to use that do better thing
You
for
carry
yourself.
fake pastor. You
Hungry
confess am with me. Make you laugh for me. You say you not here. Who should be say you go bath? That be you confess the useless pastor with me. Oh, so no, when they look for money, 150 euro.
This thing has settled.
Before you dey talk say you go bath, not be you confess me with the pastor. Who should be say you go bath? I tell her say na go kill her. Tell her like that say na go na go kill her. Tell her like that say na me no give for Germany. Now go kill her. I will sack this pastor for her. I say na go now kill this pastor. Tell her like that. No, not palm you. The reason why I don't want to put you join her, I just get my reason because you know not be you professor for her. If you talk say I know you again, what kind of nonsense be that one?
I be get the ocean.
If I tell me not call my baby father again. If I tell me not call my baby father.
Maybe he still get it. Maybe that guy still get his own inside.
Abeg, Sandra.
No, not my baby father. Give me the number. Now me meet this man by myself.
Oh, who you meet? Where are you tell me the man?
This man tell me saying now, pastor, you won't pray for me.
Why you
It's
take
me
your
I give
number?
him my WhatsApp
Why you
number.
take your WhatsApp number?
Now me give her now.
You want me to help you or you want me to arrest for your matter? Which one?
No, he say won't pray for me now. Nobody they reject
wait.
prayer. You know let me say go collect money.
Wait, you know say I dey warn you since yesterday. Before you even confess me with this
No,
idiot.
now since 3 days ago I give her now.
Sandra,
Before you warn me, I don't give her. Now today you can't call me.
listen to me and listen very good. I tell you yesterday say, if you want me you dey successful for life, if you want me you not be mad woman again, if you want me Germany quit discharge you, may you come on me you live your normal life. If you follow my footstep, you go live your normal life.
I hear you.
Hello.
This one I to do Sandra for prayer.
Which kind of mumu prayer? You dey confess the useless pastor with me again? You are confessing the same useless pastor with me again? You are a fake pastor. Fake
Pastor when they
pastor.
see fake bishop,
Useless
now they talk.
pastor.
And then want pray for person.
Fake pastor. Gonna fire you.
You dey see fake bishop. Person when they with wife for house. Now you dey say
Tell me your
Raymond.
people in Lagos if they don't get you arrested. And for your information, your picture is already with me. I recorded you. I am going to post you with the record on my Facebook. You are going to go viral for the bad reason. I will pay today not to post you. You are a useless pastor. Fool. Oswald, I mean, what buy you land? You dey mad, you know they see come on. One vision, you know they see make that fire you. Yeah, pastor. Devil, you dey mad. If wetin you see this evening na truth, it will go for you. If not be truth, you devil you dey see your pastor.
you dey see fake bishop dey call name when they enter his mouth as he don
You know the pepper am.
worry your
You know the pepper am.
you dey find who
Like
buy you
bastard.
they make dem send you money go and work go do leg book
From 150 euro, you enter 300 euro. I calculate am for my tap 500 for 3,000. You want a bella for Lagos?
who dey Nigeria now dey use aero take dey charge you don see where pastor for dey collect money
Make all that fire you all the baba akpine.
and
Una
tell am pay
when they believe fake pastor, na so na life go dey bend.
Pastor Raymond is spirit.
Na so na life, na so na life go dey bend. Come back am. May I send this to you. May you know your
Epa live there.
now you dey talk. May you mute. You don't know even like you. You don't know love you. You dey situation when the be say you dey psychiatric, you dey share your number. You don't know who love you. You be like say you like as you dey so. You be like say you like the way you take dey so. You be like say you like her. Now so you talk as they say, then why go give you a? Yoski, why go give you a? There's a guy as godmother, why go give you a? Now you dead. Now cash. Now you so. Now I owe you so. It's not because I get that love for you to help you. I for stop immediately. I'll tell Michael, may send you the money. May I rest for this matter. Nonsense. Listen, everybody. Why may I help you? You not see vision for you since then. You hear that just as I say, you look for money when want to buy land. Useless pastor. All this one now, they'll see people who come for John. They go even rape you, join. They'll knock
The
you.
pastor when you attack where walk and you not done it go and you know you the way.
Pastor, they found one buy land for her. Each day.
May I send that?
That's what they do. Me say they see vision, no.
May I send that? Nah. I feel like pastor with this one. See, fake pastor, Emmanuel
Pastor
Best.
Raymond the spirit.
Emmanuel Best, you are a useless pastor. Thank God that they have exposed you people today. Come on, come on, let me.
Pastor a message 30 years old.
I have been in Asigidi since year 97. And you are going to preach to me. You, don't worry. Don't worry. I go meet you. I will say the way I'll take disgrace from that too. You are that Jordan Mumu pastor. Now what scam Sandra? Money will never still correct. Money where I used 3 days stay raise. Now I want more forgive na 500,000. Wagmo TikTok pastors. Useless and stupid pastors. A pastor you get up to say not before my president for the minister. But now that's why for the club for 2 years. Now today for stop pastoral work, you go find work the next day. You don't know me. You don't even know
What
me.
be the name of your church, sir? The ministry when he say he gets.
You know talker, you never see money table balance you. Never see money table balance.
He just say people dey Europe now. You know they charge with euro. Nonsense. Make una know the kind people when they go they mean say na pastor.
Useless and stupid pastor.
Pastor when never see solution for himself. Pastor when they find money when he want to feed. For him mind, maybe don't see money. Oh. If he don't already they plan how he want to spend that money. So
Hello.
it's a gazaga now where they
If you know say you don't want to talk to me for his speaker, get out. At the verse, you should be remover for speaker. If you know say you want to talk to me for remover for speaker, you wait me I come up for live video before you remove her for speaker. I still need like 10 minutes to calm myself down. Because imagine I say everything this man talk na truth. That's why I for carry money give her. Imagine I say Sandra na my younger sister. Just imagine I say my wife really don't leave me. That's why for they believe. That's why for they believe. In one itero, Nero Buewagmo, Yeye pastor, useless and stupid pastor. You, I go meet you. You never know anything. Say, and I don't go change her. You don't know, say me don't remove. You don't know, say me don't snap a picture. It doesn't say, you don't remove a picture for a story. You see fake pastors. You know why I do this thing this evening? I know, say, when they watch me for a year now, I believe in pastor. Now they use a year pastor. Open, I go live.
Investor, a guy did not connect a boy not connect in plan they plan both of them they plan and applying work.
That one work up by they remove yourself. Nonsense. Rubbish.
now they talk now because that one be still get you inside the money. All of them get share.
Rubbish.
They get share. Fake
Rubbish.
pastors everywhere. They seek fake vision.
Nonsense. No,
They say they scatter people family.
Yes,
Now
now
your mama
plan
they
work
do
before,
you.
now plan work.
Now your papa they do you.
No, Eba, I can't tell the pastor say, it dey stress me. Say I don't want to follow another man. I want try make I come back to my baby father. He said no, I go see another man.
okay. I beg you, may I go call you your baby father. If your baby father send that useless man money, I go beat your baby father, He not go regret, he not go know himself again. If by mistake say that your baby father, so he send that useless pastor. Winnie, I don't send you the picture. See the picture for there. Very small rat. This one never even reach 30 years old. You want to be a pastor, fake pastor. Next time you will never play with people like us.
You see me come on here with them my nose. You see me come on this ring. I said no.
That's good for you. Not be you give her number. Me not tell you say anything they happen.
No, now since on Sunday. Now give her my number since on Sunday. Now today you can't call me. I'll be on Monday.
Now he lie to you.
Now you
Now you
like
like
me. Eh, you say you
Sandra,
won't help me now, pastor.
listen to me and listen very good. You see all these TikTok pastors, eh? Not the only Sandra they talk to now. And they talk to all of una now. If una see them, go and go they follow them, they do Papa pray for me. They go use that to total, they go fuck una waiting not good. They go, this one,
You don't come oh.
imagine I say this one, I say, you go fuck and rubbish at the end of the nothing. This idiot, now this idiot they talk to me since, this mogul, this fool, this useless above fool. I can't call you daddy just to deceive you. And you really fall put. They tell me fake vision. Waiting even they exist. Just imagine now. Now this one now people will talk say, my daddy. Not they say, daddy not even a see vision for himself. Now let me see. Now let me see vision for you. If you do not stop bleaching in the year 2025 as a pastor, you know if you make up for pastoral work. Now,
you know,
your father is the reason why you are like
this. Not clear. They find money want to buy phone.
Your father is the reason why you are a fake pastor today. Now madness they do you. Such I will get sense.
Pastor, why we call you no one way?
What the pastor no go on the very well I go to soon. What the pastor?
Pastor Siklia.
What the pastor no well. What the pastor? Wait, may I call your husband? Yes, Sandra. May I call your husband?
Ah, yes.
May I call if these people be one just scam Sandra. They just say the money don't reach in hand. They don't know say me don't tell Sandra say anything where they happen make it they tell me. You not see laugh. You not see laugh. Mama, more temptations are still coming. More temptations, Sandra. If you like, make them buy you hair. Now you know. You hear the hair, now you know. Hello? Yeah. Sandra, baby papa, how are you? Yes. You know what? That pastor where they talk to you today is a fake pastor. They listen to me? And Sandra now me they talk to now. He said before when the conference you today, what did the pastor tell you?
Everything they tell me.
You got the record. Send. Oh, Oma Yoruba. God will bless you. I know the best for you again. Send me the record. Yeah? Make a plan. Now. Send that for me. God bless you. You see smart. Sandra not smart. Sandra, if you don't come up for here, they hear me. Sandra, they hear me.
I hear you.
If you don't come up for where you did say, eh? Who anybody here? Buy hair by yourself with your money. If you not be waiting, you use your money back. Not let anybody give you hair. Hello?
Hey, I go buy.
God bless you. You go obey me or may I remove and come up for your matter?
No, I go buy. If they give me my children now, and I settle with my baby father, we go. If my baby father they work, I will tell him make it buy for me.
You say you want settlement with your baby father, I will do it now. But I want to let you know one thing now. They listen to you go follow my instruction or make a rest for your matter. They talk now.
No be your instruction they follow. Make me give you feedback about what happened today.
Good. If you follow my instruction, you will never remain where you are now. You will live there and become a person. I give you now in 1 year time, people don't know you again. Your story will change for the better. This pastor make you know a useless person. That be. If they go from one TikTok messenger to another, they look for money we want to complete the land. Just imagine this idiot of a pastor. This one don't even reach 30 years. This rat, this mogul. The other pastor, you want me to put you join now? Why they call me again? You want me to add your name join? Why they call me? As I don't put your name join, so your rest.
I dey sell money on this complete my land. Why you dey tell this kind of work I no get? Yeah. they go to DM people.
No, now the other pastor where you confess with me. Now the other pastor, not be you. I don't ever put your name. Not provoke me to put your name, Joanna. As you just confess that pastor just now, now the pastor at the beat so. Not your add your own. If you add your own, the anger where I go with me now, I go just put your own Joanna.
When you know Richards, your own wait. I know that.
Who shall be your person? Who shall be your person? When I know you, Richards. Okay, you know me, Richards. Now you be giving fake pastor make us scam. Person where they help. You want to spoil my name. Person where they help. You know me fully, Richards. Now you want to give me person where they make us spoil my name. You want to spoil my name. You want to tarnish my image. Make people come they look me say before one day say they use people money say they do yeah. Bros, I know how to join that more because of I don't look you say now you confess the pastor, not you say the vision. I know how to join that. But you say that man will confess with me, now who now will kill him. He never see anything. And the number wey take coming for WhatsApp, I'll tell my lawyer tomorrow make they trace that number. If they cash am, you go there for prison because you don't scam people. All the people wey scam people return their money. Not just put yourself, yeah. Not just put yourself. Bye bye.
Epa, the beginning when this thing started, they do me, pastor to shop my money.
Now you know. Now the way you be, that's why they shop your money because you know they ask questions. Okay? You don't ask questions.
Epa, he asked me for the money. I tell him say I not get. I need to let you know first. I don't get money now.
I say more temptation they come. They let me they know and anybody call you, record yourself for me. Because they don't love you. If they love you, they for help you since then. When they go from platform to platform, nobody give you one error. Now this is my platform, so now people for call they help you. Now by the special grace of God, we don't get 1.3 million 54,000 naira. You see how? So that is it. This woman where they call me, I don't hear you. See what tell me. I want to play audio. Let the Yoruba boy. Omo Yoruba, your wife say he need you. Your wife say he wants you back, but first send me the audio first. We'll start from there. Please, that people should be bringing the account number again for people to donate, please. People should bring out the account number again for people to donate. People should bring your. People should we get. Michael. You don't make you send me the audio. Now you say you record and when the professor from now. Okay, now listen good, my brother. May I could talk to you before the load finish. Your baby mama Sandra, he called me after live video this afternoon when I felt do live for him this afternoon. He can't tell me something say he wants to make you and settle because you know they married one within Nigeria again. And in this sorry for everything you understand. I beg my brother. And you know say things get assisted before your side now. So now you train 2 children. And Sandra, they really want make we take the other of our first daughter and then the one you get, which is your stepdaughter. But the money will they donate for her, so if you correct, we'll take inside the money, take lawyer, and a lot of them fight that one. But I just want to make it be say you settle with Sandra, I beg. They just say since this matter starts, and they come, I never finish, and they come. Since this issue starts, it was not an easy journey for all of us. Everybody there to help your baby mama. But for your baby mama to say he wants peace, he wants to settle with you, I beg, settle with her. Make peace dey. Sandra know what she dey do and she don dey okay. Na just make she just comot the your remain. Abi una gift me. I dey hear you, talk to me. In Yoruba.
Social media, I'm not used to it.
Yes, I know. You talk about that time.
Yeah, I understand what you talk about, but one first thing is say And so I not really lie for you. This woman, she know the right thing. She know the right things. That's true. And what you talk, you do. Really try. People now shy. They shy because me I know they wrong for that one. Me I the best way to see children, which I love fast for children.
God bless you.
That's the grace of God. We do upon the way to say make me this one. But Sandra,
You go to speak Benin, you go say Sandra, why you cut this short this Benin wey dey speak so?
that's why people call your platform, they talk to them, know me. You know how they are people know. I be telling them 24.
Mona, gift me, oh, if you like my work, please, people should gift me.
They talk to me, don't say I be lazy man.
Okay, you know what's in there. Since you did the agree small thing, you settle with time. May I tell you 30 first. Money we get so far now, 1,354,900.
If I like you do listen, wait. I don't agree, say I won't follow Sandra.
No, as in you not follow her, like I don't say you follow her, but you dey like want see business with her. I know.
Yeah, I run for waiting I stand for before, you know.
Yes. But not be you fair to this woman before. Why things can't be like this? And you just say you don't want the woman again. I mean, not fair love her.
If I not be, you know, if woman, you know, woman will won't pay that money for, you just settle the money. You get as matter for the be for the family. They can't say they don't want it. They get already called. They call it. They say okay, as they say they don't want to make a leave. It throw me out. Not be say I try, but that one not be the pain. The pain is that Sandra. The agreement she married, in mama.
Okay, you know what's in there? You know what's in there? For you to talk like this, I be man. I will call you outside live video, then we will talk. Yeah? Then we will talk. This matter so, with the way you go, this one for inside. I'm not sure saying a live video will do this one. Yeah? That you. Yeah, exactly. You cut off small. Now God will bless you. Me record them for live video. I record them for live video. The man they talk rubbish. I even lie to the man say, me and your baby mama, and they say papa, they say mama bonus. You don't see I say I dey lie to her. You don't see I say I dey lie to her. The man is just a fool. Thank God say you record down. Now those one want to disgrace her. I go even do video about this is less smart tomorrow. You understand? So let's see. I'll call you privately. Sandra.
Sorry to hear you.
You want peace between you and your baby father, right?
This is what I come reason now. Which man can go start from beginning from again after 3 children? I don't already born for one now. And my first became Noah as a papa. So I know what they start from beginning again. So I just manage now.
You know what you go do now? You hear me? They do one for himself. Yeah? Because of some certain things for your baby father, they try to talk to us now. You hear me? You understand? Yeah?
I hear.
All right. Official M King. Wagwan.
Hey, Pa, good evening.
Where's he?
You know, say since we first talk in the morning, I just come across your video again. So since morning, I just did on this matter because in the afternoon she called me back. So I can't get to call Nigeria because I just did on this matter since for Nigeria matter because I call her. So I will call her family today, which I did. No, so I tell you, saying she's like a younger sister to me. Their house, they our backyard.
Exactly.
So me and her brother just the talk finish. So we I did this live video just now. Me and her elder brother just the talk finish. So
wow.
So he say he go contact her elder brother, the overall senior brother, in Italy. He go contact that one. He go give her my WhatsApp number. Me that one call me. So which I tell her and say I go give them your number, may they call you. You understand? Because I really talk to them. I call my mother today, so all of them go find their mama number. So they are their house. He said, no, mama not there again, not their own house again, their son house.
Sandra, mute. No, for the year where Sandra.
So I really do a lot of call today because of her. Because I really want to make she day okay. You understand? Nobody will get picking for you. Now she be second order for her mama. Nobody will get picking for Europe where we say we can't do this kind of condition, we go there happy. You understand? Yeah. So now what I just did do this morning be down.
Okay. Official M King, me and you get private talk because of our mother issue.
I mean, how they call you since, so you know.
And my sister.